Good morning, children. Today we will learn long O sound like nose. This is the picture of, yes, nose. Here the spelling is N O S E, nose. And here you can hear the sound of O, N, O's, N, O's. Yes? Here you can see in this word E is in last. So whenever we pronounce long O and if E is in last, that time we are not be able to hear the sound of E. Now let's check some more examples. This is the picture of bone and the spelling is B O N E, bone. B-own, B-own. Here also E sound is omitted. Our next picture is, yes, row. Spelling is R O P E, rope. R O, R O. Here you can't be able to hear the sound of E. R O. Our next picture is, yes, is a shape, cone shape. Spelling is C O N E, cone. K-own, K-own. This is the picture of a globe. Spelling is G L O B E, globe. G and L together sound gl, gl, O B, globe. Yes, this is a picture of a hole. Spelling is H O L E, hole. H-ole, H-ole. Next, this is a flower. Yes, it's rose. Very good. Spelling is R O S E, rose. R-O's, R-O's. Well done. This is a picture of home. H O M E, home. H-ome, H-ome. This is a picture of stone. S T O N E, stone. S and T sound together, st, st-own, st-own. Hope this video will helpful for you. Thank you.